Hey guys, what's up? I'm here at the supermarket just doing a little grocery haul. Coming from this. Yep. I will check in with you guys in a while. Yeah, me I call now. One phone, I mean. Maggie.
Buy 3 today, get a curry for free.
Yeah, I don't want to always buy another box. The box one, the box one now?
No, this is the bag one.
Oh, I think this was.
But it's the same thing, it's just that this is the powder.
Okay. I don't see an egg here. You don't want egg? Huh? Yeah, this is so nice. Tin mackerel. Mackerel. I need a bit bean. No, if you want no bread because the bread not done to take with the bread. No, you're not eating it. I may try to exclude it as much as possible. Banana chips. I love these banana chips. I do. No plantain chips. No plantain. But the one at the pepper. Oh, so the other one here. Okay. This is where I come like every Saturday to get my stuff. I need first of all, mix them always by. Yeah, just getting a few stuff. Yep. Normally when I come in the night, it's a lot fuller than now, but because I come a little early today, because I finish work early, so I come early, so it's not that packed. I like it when it's like this. I don't like when too packed and stand long in the line at the cashier, so I don't mind when it's like this at all. Chocolate is love this pickled rice. You want some? Oh, no more chicken nuggets. So okay guys, I didn't buy a lot of stuff because I do not need a whole lot of stuff. I just buy stuff that I really needed to go with what I already have. So here I have some, like, these are some kiss cakes. My nephew loves them, so I always buy them. An apple, eggs, these are wedges, and seasoned fries, chicken nuggets, and chicken to cook tomorrow, cup soup, festival mix, macaroni and cheese, and this is some baked bean, grace corned beef, tuna, rice, flour, some cheese sticks, oil, soap to wash, and fabric softener, banana chips. This one is the ripe plantain chips, raisin bread, lasco, donuts, coconut milk, and some chocolate tea mix, and tangs. 3 different flavors. I get pineapple and like fruit punch. I love the passion fruit, but they didn't have any. And the yellow biscuit, there are 3 of those as well. And the coconut, the butter kiss coconut biscuit, and the butter kiss strawberry biscuit. So these are all that I got at the supermarket. That will actually hold me over for the week with what I already have. So I'm home about to put away these things. So I will catch you guys in another clip.